Today we're going to talk about some of the latest high-speed trends that we have during this season. And one of the most important ones is the rise of high-speed 800 gig technologies. Since last year, 800 gig has become more and more important. Different rates have been specified. At the beginning, we started to see combinations or breakout cables like 2x400, 8x100. But since last 2 months, IEEE was able to finalize the specification. We are seeing more and more implementations and demonstrations of one-time 800 gig. But the evolution doesn't stop there. As you know, technology continues advancing, and in high speed, it never stops. So the next step right now is coherent optics. Coherent optics is the new barrier for this type of technology. These transceivers came up to light a couple of weeks ago, and this type of transceivers are very powerful. As you know, these type of transceivers are very power hungry, and it's been challenging for everybody in the industry to bring them to life, but we've been able to see several vendors that have been able to demonstrate this technology. We've been able to collaborate with vendors like Lumentum, like HE Genuine, to bring to you testing solution for these transceivers. Today, I would like to present you the industry's first portable 800 ZR solution. As you can see, it's in a very compact form factor. This solution is capable of running 800 gig Ethernet as well as 800 ZR solutions. We have all these rates available, and rest assured that this solution can cover all of your needs, not only for the lab or R&D applications, but also for production QA. So if you want more information or details about how to validate this type of technologies, visit us at exfo.com and we will get for you all the details. Thank you.